Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be running through some practical examples of different methods and workflows for the nesting feature, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But before all of that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. Now, just so you guys know, we're going to be running a few practical examples of different workflows for the nesting feature. Now, this might vary from workflow to workflow, so just keep in mind we're going to kind of be starting from the beginning, just so you can kind of get the hang on the ropes of how things works. This is not so much going to be a step-by-step example in the sense of the previous videos where I go through the features and explain everything about it. This is just more so you can kind of see the workflow. So in the first practical, I might explain things a bit more, just so because it's the first one, and then after that we'll run it a bit more smooth. So I'm going to start by going a new sheet, and then the example of this one is, let's say we've got an offcut, and the actual sheet is, you've got maybe a sheet that's a bit more on or taller on a y-axis. So I'm just going to go grab a base here, and then I'm going to make the y a bit taller. So this makes 2000, but this could be offcut, so this could be 500 and the top 200 or something on that line. But just for this example, I'm going to go this way around. I'm going to make the diameter just 1 and say OK. Now as you can see, we've got an offcut that's quite long, and then yeah, so now what I want to do is I'm just going to add some flat parts, make it simple, some circles, and then important, obviously, quantity nesting. We want to set this, so let's say I go about 10, and then I'm going to say add. So now we've got our nesting, and now we want to nest it on a more vertical plane. So then what I want to do is go to nesting. I'm just going to leave it as is, just see what happens with the default. As you can see, for some reason it looks like it's trying to still do it on a horizontal type plane. So I'm going to go configuration, set it from vertical to horizontal. Well, no, I think maybe it's only the preview because it should be on vertical at the moment. So I'm just going to go ahead and confirm this. So now it should be taking it up and throwing the last one to the side. Now, like I said, this might be a smaller offcut, or your pieces might be bigger. So I'm just going to put a little bit of a spacing here with a speed. Just add there, something on that line, and then I'm going to say accept. There we go. Okay, so it does it from the top down. So this is a basic workflow of what you'll be doing if you want to do it on a more vertical plane. I might have titled this wrong, saying horizontal plane, but it is designed for the vertical. We'll be covering some different horizontal practical workflows just now. So just a quick recap. So basically what we want to do, make your flat part based off your offcut, and then we want to add the shape, make sure we go quantity nesting, and then under the actual nesting settings here in the configuration, we just want to set it to vertical instead of horizontal. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the practical workflow for vertical nesting. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.